All right, so we're going to take a look at the 6.2 homework example number 8. So this is similar but slightly different from the previous video. In this example, we have IQ scores that are normally distributed with a mean of 105 and a standard deviation of 15. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down. I've got a mean of 105 and I've got a standard deviation of 15. We're looking for the probability that a randomly selected adult has an IQ between 89 and 121. So I'm going to write down 89 is less than X is less than 121. All right, so we're looking for a probability, which means we're looking for an area, right? So we're going to go to StatCrunch. And like before, we're going to go to Stat, Calculators, Normal. So now you see up here, there's a button that's gray that says Standard, and there's a button that's like blue that says Between. In this example, we're looking for values between. It's a very important skill, as you're going to see when we start talking about confidence intervals. So I'm going to click Between. Now I want to enter my mean. So I have a mean of 105. I'm going to enter my standard deviation. I have a standard deviation of 15. Now I'm looking for the area or the probability, because area and probability are representative of the same thing. 89. So we're looking for the area between 89 and 121. Then I'm going to go ahead and select compute. And there you have it. You have a picture. It's one of the things I really like about StatCrunch is, when you're just calculating z-scores and things like that, you don't get this nice picture. But here, it's pretty well laid out, right? So 89 is around here. And by the way, just an added thought. If we have a mean of 105, that's right here. And we have a standard deviation of 15. So one standard deviation above 105 would be 120. One more standard deviation above 120 would be 135. And one more standard deviation above 135 would be 150. So remember, one standard deviation away is a z-score of 1, positive 1, because if you're negative 1 standard deviation, if you're below the mean, that's a negative z-score. 2 standard deviations away would be a z-score of positive 2, and 3 standard deviations away would be a z-score of positive 3. Anyway, I hope that helps, and this concludes this lesson.